Hello.
Oh, it's exciting, isn't it?
It is exciting. I'm the Sylvia.
I'm the Alex.
And Alex brought something to me. Ooh. And what's inside?
Well, if it's not the very new book, How I Escaped the Trauma Cult,
Ooh.
then I will be very shocked and surprised.
Okay.
So shall we do the unboxing?
Let's do the unboxing.
Yeah.
Go ahead and let's open it up. How do you open it up? They have a strip, don't they?
There we go.
There we go. No, strip failure. Yes, we've got it open.
Oh.
I'm just gonna let you do that. Oh, there's two inside.
Oh, one each.
You ready?
Yes.
Yay!
Oh my goodness.
It's the right way round.
Yay!
One for you and one for me.
Oh, fantastic.
What I like.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Just what I like best about this is actually the back page.
Ah, I like it too. The Sylvia and the Mirror Man.
Yes, having fully escaped the trauma cult and come out the other side, happier with better self-esteem, and
it's got such a nice feel to it, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's not shiny.
No, that's really interesting.
This is good. This is actually really good for video because it's not reflecting the light. Look, I can move it backwards and forwards.
Oh, well, brilliant. Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
What a fantastic
was an awesome project.
It really is. Now, everyone should head to dragonrising.com
or Amazon or Audible
to go and get themselves this fabulous book by Sylvia Hartman.
Yes. And this also makes a really good gift for people who are really fed up or confused about the modern insanity of aggression and cancellation and microaggression and narcissists and children disconnecting themselves from their parents and all this hideous weirdness that has encompassed society. I think there's people who would be interested in hearing about why that is, but also how we can get out of it. I think they would like this.
I think so too. I think it's a tour de force from the problem to the solution.
Yes.
And everybody needs a How I Escaped the Trauma Cult.
Yes.
Sylvia Hartman.
Definitely does.
In their lives.
Yeah, and if you ever meet me, get me to sign it.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Oh, and thank you.